Fredericksburg is such a cool place to live. Not only you get all the excitement of downtown, but it's also filled with history, recreation, and small town fun. Today, I have a great opportunity for you to live just outside of a city in an updated home, and all of it just under 300K. I am with Martina. Welcome home. I love how the sun streams in the home and how the open concept provides a feeling of space. Just imagine entertaining in this beautiful home. The home is tucked away in the beauty of Spotsylvania. But you're always a short drive away from all the action. So if you want to live in Fredericksburg and an updated home at an amazing price, now is the best time to move with Martina.